In front of me here today, we're going to be looking at a 2023 Vista Cruiser 17RWD. This is a pre-owned travel trailer and a great opportunity for someone looking for a used like new trailer at a great price. The year is 2026 right now, and let me tell you, 2025 and 2026 has been the year of Vista Cruisers. They've been very popular among all of our customers because they are lightweight options while still having a nice large floor plan. You've got your single axle here, you've got a powered tongue jack on the front, manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit, and one of the most notable and largest selling features of the Vista Cruiser is a single piece of fiberglass from the nose to the tail of the trailer. So all the way around the entire roof and down to the very bottom, you have a single piece of fiberglass. That is popular because not only does it make it more aerodynamic and easy to tow for both new and experienced RV owners, it does help eliminate worries about water damage because you're not having all these laps and seals at the top to worry about having sealed and resealed and coming apart every single year, as well as it just looks fantastic with that aerodynamic shape. Talking about some of the other external features here before we step inside, you're going to have your storage compartment here in the nose. Since this is a pre-owned trailer, you're going to have some extra goodies along from the previous owner. You've got an anti-sway kit here. Looking at the other side, we'll just pop around and we'll actually check out what goodies they have there too. You've got your powered outdoor, or your powered awning with outdoor LED lights. You've got outdoor speakers and a convenient little TV mount here where you can slot a TV into and enjoy some entertainment from the outdoors. It's always nice when you have beautiful trailers on the inside, but let's be honest, when you're camping, you want to be outside at your campsite, so having a little entertainment area with a powered awning is an extremely nice feature. At the very back here, you're going to see you've got a nice large window. All of the windows in this Vista Cruiser have this great dark tint to them. That gives you privacy, also looks great, also helps regulate the air temperature on the interior of the trailer. You've got your spare tire, you've got rear stabilizers here. It is prepped for a backup camera if you want to have one installed. That's a nice and easy to use feature. Over on this side, you're going to have other things like your power supply. You've got your city water connections, other connections. And one thing I wanted to show off too, did I unlock this here? I did not unlock it. Let's see if I got the keys here on me. One thing I like about these Vista Cruisers and their latches, if you've had an RV for years, you know that sometimes you've got these little clips that hold up the handles and they keep, there we go, little clips that hold up the handles and they break over years and they get dry rotted, stuff like that. All of these Vista Cruisers here now come with these, first of all, magnetic catches. Very easy to use. You don't have to try to fandangle it with one hand and have your little clip that's going to get ripped out and broken surely next time the kids go in there. But you also have slam latch closing, so you just slam it closed, it will latch and close up for you. On this side here, let's see what they got. You've got your outdoor connection there for your water, and you've got an RV starter kit. Definitely recommend, if you're coming on in, taking a peek at what's all inside here. Looks like you got a brand new sewer hose, some gloves, other things like that, all ready to go. Perfect for any RV user. You've got some extra goodies along there with you. Stepping on to the inside of the trailer is where I really like to show off these Vista Cruisers because they've got a great design. Some older RVs back when you're getting into early 2000s and such have this really dark and kind of dingy floor plan. It was very popular to have this espresso style color, but a 2023 Vista Cruiser, you get nice bright and airy colors. You've got this nice light wood, LED recessed puck lighting, as well as they've got these bright true white colors here, so you have a nice bright eating area. You've got this white marble looking countertop, and overall a very stylistic trailer. Now the features itself in the 17RWD is you're going to have this rear dinette, which will convert to an extra sleeping area. Although this is a perfect couples camper, if you've got kids or grandkids who want to tag along every once in a while, this is going to drop down, these cushions will come over. Now you have an extra spot to sleep guests. Just like you'd have at home, you've got storage here, like you might see in your kitchen, but you've got plenty of room to store all your belongings back in these corners. Blended into the wall here is going to be your gas electric fridge freezer combo. So you've got your freezer compartment up above here, and you've got your fridge compartment down there for the rest. Flipping over to the kitchen, you're going to have a stainless steel basin style sink here with your high-rise faucet and a hose attachment. That's a trio I really like to see in travel trailers. If you need more countertop space, you're going to have this cutting board that comes with Vista Cruisers that also acts as an extra tabletop surface. Continuing on with that stainless steel look, you're going to have your microwave up above. You've got your 3-burner stovetop and an oven, all in great condition. Vista Cruisers also have this under counter lighting. You get this nice blue glow. That's great for when it gets late at night. I mentioned these are nice bright and airy lights. Beautiful looking floor plan in the day, but if you want it to be not as bright in the evening, the blue underglow does a great job at lighting up everything, but not waking up everyone. Over into the washroom, you're going to have a corner style toilet nestled there in the corner. You've got your countertop space where you can rest all of your belongings there, whether it's just extra toilet paper, lotion, stuff like that. Easy to grab, easy to use. If you want more things stowed away, you're going to have your medicine style cabinet. And then you're going to have a little bit of storage here as well as access to plumbing. Nice and easy to repair and keep up on top of maintenance and winterizing your trailer. In the corner, you've got this full plastic wraparound shower surround, so no worries about having to check seals and such in this washroom. You've got your skylight up above and an accordion style shower door. You've got air conditioning in this 2023 17 RWD. And last but not least, you're going to have your master bedroom. This floor plan has it nestled into the corner, so you can wrap around here and you have access to storage. You have a wardrobe style compartment there with the hanger. You can hang up your clothes. Storage up above. And then you've got your bed there too, obviously. I believe if I lift this up, it will reveal you've got a storage compartment there as well. So overall, a very popular trailer. It's a nice, relatively large floor plan for it being a lightweight trailer and on the smaller end of the floor plans that Vista Cruiser has to offer. So if you are looking for a couple's trailer with a little bit of flexibility and a lot to offer, come on down and check this one out at Longhaul Trailers in Listowel.